Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I have a very simple and short video of how to replace your Mercedes-Benz remote battery on 2017 and 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC. First of all, remove the mechanical blade from the transmitter. I used the pocket screwdriver to pop and remove the cover of the remote. Replace an old battery with a new one and reinstall the cover. To make sure the battery is installed in the remote correctly and works properly. Reinstalled the blade onto the remote. Congratulations, you had successfully replaced battery in your 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC remote. The old battery must be stored in the recycle bin as per Batter Recycle rule and regulation.
And now, I have my friend to demonstrate on how to replace a new battery in 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC remote.
If I like it, I take it. Good job.
You have to press this button down, push the cover back,
That's good.
take it out,
If you have two people to do this job, it's pretty good.
yeah, and then use pocket screwdrivers, pull it out. This is where they hold the battery,
Good job. Oh my goodness.
and then make sure this is the bigger battery. It's a 2032,
The fat one.
the fat one.
I think they give me the skinny one.
And the positive side is go beneath like this. So make sure the positive side is going beneath. So like this. So this is the one way in. It's one way in. You cannot put it the other way. So I think this is the wrong way to put it in. So it should be like this. Oh no, it should be like this. This is the correct way going in.
Ooh,
I think you have
it's
to,
the other way around.
Way around.
the other way
Laugh
around.
out loud.
I think you have to delete this video.
No. You do very good. You do very good.
So this is the one way in.
Yeah.
So make sure the battery facing down. Push it in lightly, and then the cover. Be sure put the tip of the cover in first, the tab in first, and then put the cover in and slide forward. That's it.
All right.
And then test.
Thank you very to my
That's the
friend,
remote.
Hui, that he spent his valuable time to make this important video to share with us.
Unlock it. Good job. Thank you.